IRM passive-type grout seals are an efficient alternative to inflatable grout packers. These seals do not require any inflation system, thus reduce installation cost and offers effective sealing. While pile grippers grip the pile firmly in one place, Grout Seals holds the grout from dispersing on the bottom of the jacket. IRM Grout Seals' unique cross-section design offers an extremely reliable sealing mechanism between the pile and jacket leg, proving its maximum utility by saving substantial cost of grouting operation. Performance of grout seals can be enhanced by providing customized design, such as grout seals with mud wipers and diaphragm closure to prevent mud penetration from the bottom side of the jacket, and a mud wiper can also hold a grout plug in case of emergency. IRM grout seals are available now in wide range up to 200-inch OD pile with customizable configurations and designs. Higher size can also be designed and manufactured as per client's requirements.